Welcome, in this video I will show you how to safely change the band on Apple Watch SE 3. So to begin, you have to turn your Apple Watch upside down and put it on a smooth surface, the soft smooth surface, so that it doesn't slide on it much, and you can safely push it from the other side without damaging the display. Next, move your band to the side in order to see two buttons on the back cover of your Apple Watch, which are the release buttons. And in order to remove the old band from your Apple Watch, you just have to press and hold one of these release buttons with your fingernail, and then on the same side of the Apple Watch try to move the band's end to either left or right, and once it starts moving, basically you can release this button and then just carefully remove one side of the band from your Apple Watch. Then repeat the same process from the other side, so simply press the release button with your fingernail like this, and then move the other side of the band to either left or right to remove it. Okay, be careful. And now we're gonna have to apply a new band to our Apple Watch, and in order to do that we just have to check the inside and the outside of the band. And in order to do that, you simply have to check for the size and other characteristics of your band. They are always located on the inner side of your band, no matter if you're using a silicone, a fabric, or any other type of the band. The size of your band is always printed on the inner side of it, that is supposed to face your wrist. So in our case, we're gonna have to use this band like this. Now what you have to do is grab your Apple Watch and align the ends of the band with the slots on the sides of the Apple Watch. So once you align it like this, try to carefully push it inside. You don't have to press anything, just be careful. And once it clicks, this means that your band is fixed from one of the sides. Now repeat the same process for the other side of the band, like this, and just carefully push it inside until it clicks. Okay. And right now the band is replaced. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it, and if it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.